Hey y'all, it's your girl Asia, and I'm back with another video. And today I got my boy in the back there. And today we're gonna talk about gratitude and just being grateful for everything that we have and everything that we are blessed with in life. I feel like this would, I already wanted to talk about this today, but today, right now in this moment, I feel very, very tired and low energy and just frustrated and sad and just a little stressed. I want to take this moment to express my gratitude for all that I have because I am grateful and I am blessed. I'm about to drop Royce off to my godmother's house so she can watch him while I go to work. So I'll be back when he is all dropped off.
You outside?
Yeah.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye. Landon. There you go. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Come on, baby. He's there?
I love you, Pop. Bye.
Give Mama a hug. Let's go.
Alright, so the boy is dropped off and I'm now on my way to work, and I just feel my head is pounding. I have a wild headache right now. I'm trying not to take any Tylenol or anything like that because I only want to get back to not, relying on medication and stuff to feel better, because a lot of crap is going on with this medicine, like Tylenol when you were pregnant and stuff like that. And I was definitely taking Tylenol when I was pregnant, and they're trying to link it to autism and things like that. So I'm just like, you know what? I'm gonna try not to take any of that stuff anymore. So if anybody knows any nice alternatives that will help with a headache, let me know. I'm currently chugging water because that is the only thing that I know that will help. Hopefully help, that is. So yes, that is me right now. I have a major headache. I'm very tired. I was up since 5 a.m. Because your boy wanted to wake up, or he woke up because I'm still breastfeeding, so he wanted to just latch on to me, and I woke up and I couldn't go back to sleep. So, story of my life. So today's video was already about the power of gratitude, and since it has been one of those tools that I have been able to add to my arsenal to not fight life, but get through life, I, in fact, very much so need it today, because when I was getting ready to leave the house and everything, I was very irritable and just getting frustrated over little things, right? And I just feel like I need to bring myself back. I didn't want to call out of work completely because I am going late already. I didn't want to call out completely, even though the way I feel right now could very much well be taken as a sick day. I need a day off. I didn't want to do that because when I go to work, it's kind of like my me time, where like I don't have a little person nagging me. I don't have family nagging me. And yeah, I just get to, do my job and leave, and I don't really have to use too many of my brain cells to do that. So I'm deciding to go in to help with that, and I'm going to talk myself into, I'm going to talk about gratitude on my way there so that I can truly clear my head. We're going to talk about gratitude, the power of gratitude, and how practicing thankfulness can transform your life. Because I'm looking for it to transform my life at this very second, because I kind of need it. Okay. All right. I took off my glasses so that y'all can see my eyes or whatever. So first, let's talk about why. Well, a little bit about how showing or practicing gratitude can have an effect on your physical body. So practicing gratitude can improve your mental health, it can increase your happiness, and it can improve your immune system. We love a strong immune system over here. It's really crazy how something so small and so easy to do. Well, is it easy to do? That's relative. But it's crazy how something as simple as showing gratitude, practicing gratitude can have such a profound effect on your life, and it can affect your life in so many ways. Past, present, future. I can't even think straight right now. It's crazy how it can affect your life in so many ways. All right, so I'm about to tell you about a few easy ways on how you can incorporate practicing gratitude into your daily life. The first thing is journaling. Having a gratitude journal. Every day, write down 3 things you are grateful for. They can be however big, they can be the tiniest little thing that happened that day that you are truly grateful for, or just something you are grateful for in general. And write them down, but make sure that you are actually grateful for them. I do this, well, I had started to do this on a regular, and then, I stopped for a little bit. But whenever I did sit down and actually truly think about things that I was grateful for, I always tried to make it different than what I did the day before, just so that I'm not running to the same answers all the time, like my family, my friends, my son. No, I try not to be too cliche about it. But that is another challenge you can add on top, is trying not to name something that you've already previously named. And I found that in the act of coming up with those things, there are a lot of things that happen to us that we don't even stop to think about and be grateful for. We don't stop to smell the roses per se. And it could be the smallest things that are so minute that you don't even second guess that have happened. And you're like, wow, like I'm actually truly grateful for that. Because if that didn't happen, XYZ wouldn't have happened. And it's a real nice way to like slow down and process everything that you have actually gone through. Number 2, expressing gratitude to others. This is one that I personally struggle with, only because I'm just a little cringy when it comes to those things and a little shy. I'd be like, oh, thank you, I appreciate you because of blah, blah, blah. I don't know why. Maybe my childhood has something to do with it. I don't know. That's always the answer, right? Your childhood has something to do with it. But anyways, expressing gratitude to others. Make it a habit to thank the people in your life for their kindness, for their support, just for them being there for you. Because the simple fact that somebody is there for you, and you know that you can call them with whatever, and they will be there for you, whether with whatever you need to be supported by them, that they are there. Express your gratitude, thank them, appreciate them, let them know that they are appreciated and truly a blessing to have in your life. That can go a very, very long way. This is something I definitely need to practice myself. I need to get out of my head about it and just do it. Like I say all the time, your mind is your only limit. So clearly my mind is limiting me on expressing my gratitude to others. But I'm very truly, if anybody that I am grateful for is watching this video, I am truly, truly grateful for the people that I have in my life, because without them, your girl would not be here, okay? Period. Let's just keep it plain, simple, straight to the point, okay? Your girl would not be here. So I am thankful for those people in my life. Number 3, practicing mindfulness. This has to be one of my favorite things, because my eyes have been opened to so much whenever I am practicing mindfulness, whenever I am being present and in the moment, and not taking that moment for granted, a lot of things have been revealed to me. So you just need to take a moment every day, a few times a day, if you can. You pause, breathe, and reflect on the positive aspects of your life. And then the final thing is just remember to be consistent. The more you practice anything, the better you will become at it. So the more that you practice gratuity, the more that you practice gratitude, the more natural it will become, the easier it will become for you to do it. That a word to myself, because I have a few things I need to work on as well. But even from the beginning of this video, I'm already in a better mood. I'm already smiling, and I can go into work in a better mood now. My headache is still headaching, but it has subsided a little bit. I'm not gonna lie. Because at the beginning of this video, I was just like, but I do actually feel better right now, so that's good. I'm gonna drink my water and mind my business. So with that being said, go ahead, give showing gratitude a try and see how it has an effect on your life. I mean, what's the worst that can happen? I'm very much a fan of, if it does not affect you in a negative way, if it cannot affect you in a negative way and it cannot hurt you, you might as well try it, right? All right, and with that being said, I gotta go to work now. It's a little short video for y'all this week. Thank you for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know when I'm dropping these videos, because I've been a little out of wonk these past couple weeks. I usually do Wednesdays, but it's been like Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Wednesday. It's been a little bit all over the place. With that being said, thank you for watching. Your mind is your only limit. Don't forget. Peace, love, blessings. I'll talk to y'all next week, okay? Peace.